Oh, I am unfit. Oh. Well, I'm a bit red. Jesus. Right. I am sweating my tits off in the Peak District. Just turning around. So over there you've got the Great Ridge. Got Mam Tools just over here. And we're heading up towards Kinder Scout. This is the first time hiking with camping gear, so I am absolutely knackered already. Just met a couple of people on the way up. They asked me for my YouTube channel, so that was cool. The lady nearly stagged it on the way down though. That was not cool. Jesus. So, yeah, we're heading up for an overnight somewhere up here. What you can see just there is Grindslow Knoll, I think. Don't know if I'm saying it right. I ain't got a clue. I'm just kind of going off OS maps and what little signal I have got. I think I need to stop and get a drink. This is bloody hard work. I probably should have practiced some hikes first with all my gear, because it's all knackering me out. I'm about 1,600 feet up. Whatever that is in meters, Siri doesn't tell me. The signal was crap. Get in there. Get in there. That's the top of Grindslow Knoll, and then behind me is the Great Ridge. So that's Mam to walk over there. And then you got all the other ones as well. I can't remember. I'll tell you in a minute. It's taken me so long to get anywhere, just because you have to just stop so often and just take it in. Well, this is a decent bloody path. I am tired. It's worth it. Let me see if I can see it. Very nearly there, I think. Oh, Jesus. That was some climb. So I've got the other side of this that way there. I've come up and around. Have that gate there. I'm not very far from it. But I'm a lot higher than it. Check this out. think that's Kinder's cow over there. This is just amazing. Wind's going to pick up a bit as I get up there. First trig point for the channel. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me on this GoPro. Oh, it's getting chilly. Basically, it's bloody windy. I'm not supposed to swear on YouTube. It's very windy. The forecast says it's like 30 mile an hour winds, but this feels a lot stronger than that. I don't have a thing to measure it properly. So the wind has kind of eliminated where I was planning on camping. Which sucks. So I need to find somewhere new. And there ain't a lot where I am, to be honest. The only flat bits are rocks. And they're not really flat. So the wind's coming from the west inwards, so and that's kind of where I was planning on camping. You might be able to see down there a bit was where I was planning on camping. So I'm gonna make my way that way. Just refueling. It's a pretty steep climb, not gonna lie. Made worse by lugging all this crap up with me. But so worth it. The views, man. Let me just, let's turn you around. Look at that. There we go. Right, it's 4:30. Sunset is 5:45, so I've got just over an hour to find somewhere to pitch. Now let's get the tent up. So you see my hands frozen. We'll sort it. I'm going to try and find somewhere quickly. instantly a million times better. Oh, just to get out of that wind, so much warmer. So, as you can see, tents up. I bought the MSR Elixir one. Okay, get things all set up inside now. Not that I can be arsed. So I've got one of these silly little single closed cell foam mat things. Oh, still got the receipt in it. Let's move you out of the way. No problem with one man tent is there's not a lot of room. You can tell it's the first time doing this. Oh Christ. So this is my view out the tent. Not bad. Okay, get all this stuff set up because I need to start thinking about food soon. I'm pretty hungry. This is new sleeping mat time. This is the Kilos Gear AeroCloud something or other. This has been the first time sleeping on it. Pump. Didn't fancy using the pump sack. I need to seriously consider what I should bring and shouldn't bring. It just doesn't weigh much, but my bag was pretty damn heavy. Right, it is 7:20. It is 3 degrees, but feels like -1 according to the weather. I've got my little thermometer thing, and it says 3 degrees. I mean, it probably does feel like -1 to be fair. Oh, I've got my base layers on now, so get a little bit warmer. I'm gonna do some food soon. I'm liking this tent. It's for a one man, there's loads of room, and then I know it's a mess, but you can see that I've got hang on, what's going on? Loads of room for stuff in the vestibule. It is a mess, but loads of room. Right, we've got some dinner. I've got my rice in here and sausage. So I'm going to go and wolf this down me. Yeah, I mean it's 8:30 now, so still got a little while, but it's going to be scorching, isn't it? Oh. Probably stick a film on or something and chill out, get my sleeping bag. Right, I am hunkered down a bit in my sleeping bag. bare feet. Just cannot take it anymore. I've got a bit of a problem with my pillow, keeps sliding away. So that's going to be fun all night, chasing that. Yeah, I'll give it a bit of a tidy. Tried washing my pot up. Might have egg fried rice flavoured porridge in the morning. All good. I'm getting a bit battered by the wind, but it's nothing drastic. It's about as bad as it gets. It's knee bother. Yeah, I had to get my sleeping bag because it's just too cold. Too cold. It's been good though. It's getting pretty warm in a sleeping bag already. I've only been in it 5 minutes, so it should be all right. Let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna just basically watch some crap on my phone and go sleep. See you in the morning unless anything goes wrong. Morning. Literally just woke up. It's 6:10. Oh, bugger. Let's assess the situation outside. Got absolutely battered by the wind all night. But other than that, it's a great night's sleep. I woke up at, it was about 2:30. Woke up for a pee and whatnot. The tent was getting battered, but it's fine. Oh wow. Holy shit. Check this out. Wow. Yeah, that just makes it all worth it. Words cannot actually explain like how good this is. I must have taken about 20 pictures already. This has been something else. This has. It's my first wild camp experience. I've had a bit of everything. I've been battered by the wind all night. I've been cold. I've had, do you know what? I've just had the best time. It's just, oh, yeah, just the best. Like, that is just something else. I'm glad I woke up early now, because I would have missed this. Still, hang on, what's the time? It's like 25 past. Yeah, 25 past 6. So it's still actually like 20 minutes until actual sunrise. I am tempted to try and pack up really quickly and get up there. Look at this, just beautiful. If I could do this every day, I would. Oh. I think this firmly cements what I want to continue doing this. Because that's just mental. Absolutely mental. Oh, there we go. All packed up. What a night. What a little adventure. Got a very frozen Twix down there that I need to try and warm up and eat on the way back. Look at that. Beautiful. You got just 10 minutes past. It's pretty chilly. Yeah, what a night. Can't really say much more than that. It's just brilliant. Certainly held up well. First time sleeping in that was good. There was no condensation. Probably because how bloody windy it was. But yeah, no condensation in there. I was warm enough, like I had to take a layer off in the night because I was too warm. What else? Near summery. Just sunrise. I make my way down, go and find the car, go from there, get home, have a nap. Ta-ra.